So this is just the best example, man. If he's always, okay, my life is petrol bunk attendant only. I don't want to explore new things. I don't want to do any new kind of things. If he felt like that, then he will be in the petrol bunk. His son is also, okay, will become his colleague after a few days. Then the Dhirubhai Ambani family should work in that petrol bunk as assistants only. But now today, they are rolling India. Think bigger. Think bigger. Have some courage. Do some corrections. Increase your value. Don't be there only. Big thinking creates big growth. Background does not decide your destiny. Your background, no. Elon Musk, not having any background. Not having any background. Dhirubhai Ambani, not having any background. Remember, learning continuously creates power. I told multiple times, learn, wisdom. Your wisdom is the most important. Learn continuously. Okay? So that's it. This is just anyway. One of my I told multiple times this story. His salary is 500 rupees. Dhirubhai Ambani's salary is 500 rupees. He went to the five-star hotel to take one coffee for 250 rupees once he got the salary. Observe that. Are you listening my point?
Yes, sir.
Dhirubhai Ambani, his salary is 500 rupees per month. He is just spending 250 rupees to take one coffee in the five-star hotel. Most of the people are going to feel that this person is a mental person, stupid person, crazy person. Half of the salary just is spending only to take one cup of tea or one cup of coffee. But the reality is, if we go for the five-star hotels, then how the rich people are going to think, how the rich people are going to behave, how they are going to talk. Just all those things he's trying to grasp. So he's investing that money to learn something. Remember that. He's investing that money to learn something. Yeah, for his requirement, coffee or tea is not requirement. Just spending some time with such type of people is the requirement. To take one selfie with Messi, 10 lakh rupees. Have you heard about this? Just recent India's visit with Messi.
Yes, sir.
All the people created AI, AI selfies. Anyway, okay. To take one selfie with Messi, 10 lakh rupees. Next, to do just a lunch with Warren Buffett. Okay, some $1,000 million, thousand or otherwise $100 million, some huge money. There are several people utilize that opportunity because the reason for them, if I land one at least 1 point from this person, because he's a successful person, my life may be changed. There are several people fighting to get that opportunity to just do lunch with Warren Buffett. Of course, they are using that money for some social welfare activities, charitable kind of things. Forget about that, is the secondary. But what is the need of paying that much amount to do lunch with Warren Buffett? That half an hour, 1 hour is going to change his life, at least if he's going to get 1 point. Keep on. Better to build a learning mentality. That thing must be required, dosto. Okay, wisdom must be required. Literature, I mean, you should have literacy, financial literacy. That thing must be required. Okay, keep on. Learning should be part of your day. Your value should be raised every day. Okay, so don't, at least 5 minutes. I told in the last sessions also. Yesterday evening I told. Today I'm telling. At least 5 minutes. Better to learn some new thing in your life, which is going to improve your value. Once your value got raised, better opportunities will be there. Your buyback rate is going to be increased. Your remuneration, your salaries are automatically going to be raised. Okay, compulsory learning should be part of your day. Okay, wisdom, your knowledge should be raised. Okay,